First, we have the L and R sounds. Very common error with Japanese students, but also lots of different Asian students. So for the L, have a look at the diagram here. You need to touch the back of your, on the top of your teeth with your tongue. L, L. So touch the back of your top teeth with your tongue. L, L. So the R sound is a bit different. You don't touch the back of your top teeth with your tongue, and your tongue kind of curls back. R, r. For you Japanese students out there, kind of make the U shape with your mouth. Your mouth needs to be round. Not the sound, so not U, but just the shape. Like R, R. So that's a little hint there for you. So let's have a practice. L and R. Have a look here. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, all the way to P. If you hear a L sound, go left. If you hear a R sound, go right. So for example, light, light. So we go left. Pray, pray. So we go right. Lead, lead. So left. And fry, fry. So right. Okay, that was the practice. Now, test time. Listen to me carefully and try and follow the diagram. Which letter do you get to? Are you guys ready? Here we go. Listen carefully. Light, light. Play, play. Red, red. Fly, fly. Okay, which letter did you get to? What's your answer? Okay, the answer is C. So light, play, red, fly. Good job, well done for those who got C. Let's try one more. Test 2. Okay, this time I will say any of the words in any order. So left or right, top one, first one, last one. So any order, and be careful. And also, I'm going to cover my mouth so you can't see. So it's a listening practice, okay? Good luck. Let's try. Right, right. Play, play. Lead, lead. Fry, fry. Okay, which letter did you get? The answer was J. So right, play, lead, fry. Okay, there you go.